How many times you have walked into a meeting completely unprepared, not knowing who you are meeting with or what you discussed last time? Yes, me too. Happens all the time. So for assignment 3, I have built a meeting CoPilot, an agentic AI Chrome extension that does all the preparation work for me autonomously. This is my meeting CoPilot. It is using Gemini. I have already configured the Gemini API key. Let me quickly run this. So prepare me for the next meeting. Now watch what happens. This isn't just one AI call. The agent is thinking step by step. You know, find the next upcoming meeting, call the function, get the meeting data, decide who the attendees are, research on those attendees, search the web for attendees info, check the emails for the context, you know, go through all the mails and meeting stats, and then finally synthesizing all the information and put it together into a presentable way. Correct. Let's also look at what it has done. If you see all the steps details, this is comes with no input, but it finds the next meeting. Then once it finds the attendees, find more information on the attendees. By the way, this is all working on the mockup data. So search the email, and then this is the meeting brief it has prepared. So it has talking points, it has preparation checklist. All those things are built in here. So if you really see, this is the I have included this into my README file also, the full flow of the execution. Now similarly, we can also do for show me all the meetings for today. So again, it is going through the reasoning chain, going through all the checking my calendar, finding the meetings for the next 24 hours, finding the attendees, all those information. So it is saying, okay, I have 1, 2, 3 meetings. This is external meeting, this is internal meeting, and for internal meeting it is keeping the description short, whereas for external meetings it is finding the details for the attendees, the company's context, and the related emails, everything, talking points, preparation checklist, everything is here. So I really plan to use this because it is going to simplify my job very very simple. Now let's also go through this just to make sure the technical part is. So I have built 5 custom functions: get upcoming meetings, search Gmail, search web info, calculate meeting, all those things, meeting stats. Here is the key part. I'm using Gemini with native function call APIs. I define these 5 functions, pass them to Gemini, and Gemini autonomously decides which one to call and when. Correct? Each time Gemini calls a function, I execute it, get the result, and send everything back, including the full conversation history. So by call 6 or 7, Gemini has context from all previous steps. So that's make it really agentic. It is not one prompt, one response. It's a loop of think, act, learn, think again. So that's all I have for this assignment. Thank you for watching. Bye.